Hello everyone, welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel. Um, Today I have um, this level 1 EV charger um, called Zencar. Um, I I decided to get one because my car doesn't have one, Kia EV6, and Kia doesn't provide one, so I just need one to have just in case I go on a road trip, and if I wherever I stay I can plug it in at a family friend's house. And Another reason why I purchased this was because it is adjustable. It can set the amperage. Actually, the max amps is 16 amps, and most home outlets are 15 or 20 amps, and I believe I have uh 15 amps on my breaker, circuit breaker. Let's see here, garage and kitchen, and it says it is 15 amps. So I can derate the amps to 12 amps or 10. So and that's what I will do. Right now I do not have the car with me. And once the car is here, I will so yes, 15 amps on the for this garage. So interesting. The garage door have 20 amps, but the lights at the garage door, the garage have only 15 amps. Interesting. Yes, so let's go ahead. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this package, and let's see what we have. So right now I have an anchor clip, anchor to the wall. It's a metal, and it comes with a bag, and it says Zencar. Let's see if there's any space in here. Let's see. Okay, so that's the main compartment zipper. It comes with a user manual. Smells like a fresh new bag. So let's see here. The manual shows the instruction on how to use the device. So yellow flashing means fault, green light on, slow flashing, fast flashing, pulse, ready. Okay, so on is ready, slow flashing, slow flash, connected, fast flash error, pulse, charging. Same thing with the Emporia Energy EVSE charger is slow flash, pulse flashing. So while the car is charging, red light charging as well. Red lights on, charging. Interesting. Okay, so it shows red. Interesting. All right, so I will see once I plug it in to see how the car charges. So let's see. I guess these are different model. So this one that I have, let's see. So they are, let's see. I believe I have model A because with the one I saw, but yeah, I believe I have model A. These are the other models that they have that I saw on Amazon. Yeah, I saw this one too. I believe they're trying to sell this one for like $209 or something like that. So I purchased this one at $199. I mean, it is okay. I don't want something that fancy, so I mean, it is okay. It looks like a brick, but here is the what do I call it? RFID card. Here is the connection, the port hook, and let's see. And here's the device, and the J1772 plug. It feels light, not that heavy. Yeah, it feels very light, very light. Nothing else in the box. The wire is not that, it looks big enough, but it is okay. It looks big, but it's okay. So let's see. I need to plug it in and see what shows up. All right, so I am going to go ahead and plug this in, and let's see. So right now it is displaying 16 amps, 123 volt. So let me go ahead and change the setting. All right, let me put this here. So right now it is displaying oops. So right now it is displaying green, solid green bar light. So let's see. I'm gonna push this. Okay, I believe I need the RFI. Also, just to add, this is UL certified EVSE level 1 charger. I know there are people that are particular about the safety rating. I mean, it is cheap, but not too cheap that I think, I mean, everybody have their preference. And you can see it is adjustable, and it is a 25-foot cable, and it comes with a 16 amps and a NEMA 515, which is a regular 110 outlet like this. So I have another one here in my garage, and I believe there's one in the corner. Yeah, there's one in the corner right there. So all right, so let's see what else. And you can also plug it in with you can also use it to charge a Tesla, but you have to get an adapter for that, Tesla adapter. So and let's see, it comes with LED display, real-time control for charging status. This doesn't have a Wi-Fi connectivity, so it's just regular charger. So let's see here. So to change the amps on the charger, you have to double click twice, and this is on the feature right here. So it weighs about a total of 9.04 pounds. And the package dimension is about 16.18 by 12.64 by 4.88 inches. So, and I mean, it got a little bit of rating, not too bad, 4.4 out of 5 stars. So, I mean, how back it'll be, but there are the EVSE charger as well. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how the charger performs. So I have the Zencar level 1 charger, and I will be plugging in to the wall again. And it is connected and ready to charge. So right now it is set to 12 amps. I'm not sure, I don't know if you can see it. The camera's still trying to zoom in. So it is set at 12 amps, and I'm about to plug it into the car, and let's see how many amps it will be pulling. So it is connecting. It is connected, and the car is not charging right now because it is full. So the car is not taking any power right now because it's at 80%. So let me see. So now the car is charging and it's showing multiple colors. And it is charging at 11 amps. Focus, camera. It is charging at 11 amps and 1.28 kilowatt. And it is and the voltage is 117, and I am getting 0.025 kilowatt hour. And it's not feeling warm at all, so it is just charging. Yeah. Let's see. And yeah, the car is charging. Yeah, let's zoom back in. And according to the car, it will take 6 hours to complete charging. Let me see if I can view it on my phone again. Let's see here. Uh-oh, what did you do to the car for, Harry? You turned it off. You turned the car off, mister. Uh-oh. You turned it off? Actually, it changed. Let's go back. So right now the car is at 81. I changed it to 90%. So it will take 7 hours, 10 minutes to charge the car to 90%. So that is crazy. Yeah, you'll be sitting there for a long time. So just for those that are trying to get a level 1 charger, I won't recommend that because it will take forever just to charge the vehicle. I will always recommend a level 2 charger like the Emporia Energy. That is okay, a level 2 charger, and it's currently on a 40 amps, and you can also hotwire it um, to the circuit breaker with 60 amps to give you 48 for you to be able to get a 48 amps full 48 amps on the charger. So I mean, it is okay to have this just in case you're going somewhere you want to charge, but it's not going to charge that much, but it is something just in case you are going out of town and there's nowhere to charge. So it is a good charger. So right now I am touching that, and it is, I don't think it's not even warm. And the charging cable. Yeah, so so the good thing about this this level 1 charger is you can derate the amperage on this. Kia recommended that any level 1 charger, that you have to make sure it is a if you are going to be using a 15 amps outlet, make sure it is on the 12 amps. And if it is on a 20 amps outlet, you can leave it at 16 amps. So I am derating it to 12 amps. So I can't even derate lesser than that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share the channel. And for subscribe to our social media chat account, which is going to be in the link description. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more video. Bye bye.